How to activate your SadaPay virtual card. First, open your SadaPay application. On the home screen, we have a multitude of options. You can see your transactions, your total balance. Click on the card that has your balance. This will take you to My Card section of the app. Here, you have options to freeze your virtual card, and on the other tab, you have an option to select your physical card. SadaPay offers you a virtual card after making an account on the app and verifying your ID. It is very easy to use, and you can use it for all online purchases. And that's how you activate your SadaPay virtual card.